Good afternoon, friends. How are you? I'm sure you are doing well. See, last 2 days we have been discussing on a couple of things like best practices and the challenges. It's a very simple equation that whenever there is a challenge, there is always an opportunity. If you go back to the history, year 2000, when there was a huge earthquake in Gujarat, and the entire Kutch district was demolished due to this act of God. It was a great challenge for then Chief Minister of Gujarat to rebuild the Kutch district. Fortunately, the Chief Minister took that challenge as an opportunity and he created himself an opportunity to rebuild the entire Kutch district. In the current corona situation, we are also facing the same thing. There are a lot of challenges. Maybe I have not listed. You can list yourself. Or if you any suggestions are there, I always welcome. Now today I am going to talk about the opportunities in the ESDM sector. There are various sectors that continues to remains unaffected, but the ESDM is one sector which is unaffected from the impact of virus outbreak as yet. Instead, these global challenges created opportunity for this sector. Since we are talking about ESDM sector, let us focus on ESDM. Due to the fear of social distancing, this social distancing will remain intact for the next few years, and the demand of technology products and the social distancing are tightly linked. Increasing rate of US dollar will create a more opportunity for the localized products and will make more competitive. Consumer electronics products that are popular on the e-commerce platform are expected to recover faster. Mobile devices, smart TVs, LEDs, lighting, etc. Hence, the industry will be back on the track by the festival season. There is a need for developing a local supply chain since it is very necessary. The major electronic goods sold in India will now be manufactured locally, so the development of supply chain, a local supply chain, is very important. There is a great opportunity to export the electronic products to the friendly nations such as US, UK, etc., which will keep on increasing. There is also a great opportunity for the contract research and patenting the research and development. Under the National Policy of Electronics, several initiatives are being taken to promote R&D and intellectual property development in the ESDM sector. Some of them are like setting up an electronic development fund for promoting the ventures fund in the ESDM area, setting up the incubators for supporting startup in ESDM sector, development of conditional access system CAS for the set-top box. The export opportunities to expand in the sector such as medical electronics, automotive electronics and telecom are major. Africa could be a major export destination too. The component manufacturing ecosystem will evolve in India due to the short supply of components, and it is right time for the new enterprise to strongly work in line with Make in India and avail benefits of new electronic policy. It is also right time to start the accessories, manufacturing of accessories like chargers, headphones, earphones, adapters for laptop, auxiliary peripherals, storage devices and other accessories. The primary and the secondary market are very huge. For example, the failure of accessories are approximately 50% of the total sales affected in India. The government of India has already extended a lot of benefit for the domestic accessory manufacturers. So now by manufacturing the accessories in India, you will be in a position to supply those things to the major manufacturers as an OEM. So attaining $5 billion goal is now easy because the demand of Chinese products may shift to another manufacturing nations across the globe, and India can one of that important nation. Happy manufacturing and a good day.